दीक्षा न करे जिहास वर्षे आचंडाली उद्धारे चैतन्य चरितामृत. Harinam is very powerful. But because he is the incarnation of Brahma, right? And he is teaching to us how to chant holy names. And Lord Chaitanya, actual Brahmaji, this life history that Brahmaji, he stole Krishna's friends, cover boys and cup. Then later Brahmaji, he realized Krishna is not an ordinary cover boy. Then Brahmaji, when he stops to teach them, but still Brahma is thinking, I am offender's aparad. So for this regard, Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities in where? Mayapur. And actual this Mayapur, that is called the Brahma Jaggasthali. Jaggasthali, he performed fire sacrifice. And he realized, in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Krishna appeared in that place. So that place is called Brahma Jaggasthali. So in this way, Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities. Then Krishna appeared to him and told, so now you have come, my rich called. And then that is called Mayapur, Yogapith Mayapur. So one who comes here and all his sin automatically are destroyed. If you go Navadvip Dham, especially in Mayapur, then all your sin will be disappear. And then, but Brahmaji very humble, so how can I serve to you? That time Krishna told, in this Kali Yuga, I will appear in the form of Gaura avatar. And in my Gaura avatar, incarnation of Gaura, I will preach Nam Sankirtan. So you may to assist my preaching Nam Sankirtan. So Brahmaji, then he also asked to Lord Krishna, I will not take birth in high class family. I will take birth in low caste family. And because if I take birth in high class family, then maybe again my pride will come. And so for this regard, he told, and yeah, you have to take birth in low caste family. And so Krishna told, okay. Then Krishna also manifest his Gauranga Sarup to him. When Kali Yuga will come, how will manifest my Leela? Nam Sankirtan Leela. So that time Brahmaji very humbly told, I will also help your preaching Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan. So Brahmaji now he is coming in the form of Brahma Haridas. And there no need to take Diksha mantra from anyone. And so, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him title Brahma Haridas or Namacharya Haridas. And from his childhood, Namacharya Haridas Thakur, always chanting holy names. Understand? And all his holy, he chanting holy name, that is called Suddhanam. Suddhanam, understand? Pure holy names. Not even Namavas. Suddhanam, pure holy names. Always chanting. Because and teaching to us, those who perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna, there is no need to take birth in high class family or learned scholar. There is no need. Just simple. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Aho bato sapachatu guryan jad yagre vartate nama tubhyam. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. One who chants holy names, that means he performs all types of pious activities. Even he took bath in all the holy rivers, holy places, everything. And
But in this verse, does it refer to Shuddhanam, if someone is chanting Shuddhanam, or also Nam Aparad?
many Suddhanam, pure holy names. When pure holiness manifests in our tongue, when no any nama aparad, no offenses, and samandha gyan coming, knowledge of relationship with Lord. That time we are chanting holy name, that is called Suddhanam. Namabhas, semblance of holy names is that way. No relationship or also no offensive. That time we are chanting holy name, that is called Namabhas. Understand? But Haridas Thakur, he chanted every Suddhanam, pure holy name. Opposite of holy names. And every day he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. Look there. And first 1 lakh holy names he chanted loudly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Or another 1 lakh holy names he chanted Upang Sujab. That means he chanted and listening himself. That is called Upang Sujab. Or another 1 lakh holy names he chant in his mind. As like we are chanting, here is called Gayatri Mantra without moving lips and just to meditate. In the same way, Haridas Thakur and chanted holy names. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him title Namacharya Haridas, Nam Acharya. So Haridas Thakur. What do you say?
Can I ask a question?
What?
So in this year in April in Germany, you talked about the appearance day of Sita Devi, and you thought that there was this one person, Vedavati, and she performed austerities to actually enter in the body of Sita because she wanted to become the cause of the death of Rama. But did she enter in the body of just Sita Devi herself, or in the body of Chaya Sita? Because actually Chaya Sita got kidnapped, so she was the cause of Rama's death. But did Vedavati enter in the body, or just Sita Devi herself?
The Brahma Vaivarta Puran also mentioned this way. Brahma Vaivarta Puran explained, because all these realize not the same kalpa. Kalpa, understand? 1 day of Brahma, Krishna performs sweet Leela. But different kalpas, different Leela is going on this way. Different. So 1 kalpa, the Vedapati's Katha is there also. Understand? Then different kalpas is Katha is there. So, how to reconcile all these Lila Katha? What this regard Shastra saying in this way? Vedapati, then Vedapati say appeared in the form of Chaya Sita. Then Chaya Sita again also manifest from the fire. So this is different kalpa this way. And different Puranas speaking different katha also this. This is Brahma Vivarta Puran, Radha Hridaya Brahmanda Puran. Different Puranas speaking different kalpas katha also. Then Kurma Puran, different Puran, not only one Puran. Then this way. But this is to Ravan, he kidnapped with Sita. Chaya Sita. Then after when Ramchandra he killed Ravana, then Ramchandra told, I have to return back my original consort, Sita Devi. But how will take it? So this realization. Then Ramchandra told, Lakshman, you prepare one and Agni Kunda. Agni Kunda, that's sacrifice. Then origin Sita is coming out, and this Chaya Sita, who kidnapped by Ravana, she enters. This is the procedure. So when Ramachandra he took back his origin consort Sita Devi, then Chaya Sita she also asked Ramachandra, so where I will go? And that time Ramachandra told, you help my Krishna Lila. Ramchandra Lila, then Krishna Lila is how far long? Ramchandra, he came in 24th Chaturjuga. Our Krishna, Varnandan Samsundar Krishna, he came which Chaturjuga? 28th. Now 28th Chaturjuga is going on this. And the end of Dapar Juga. Understand this rotation. Sattva, Teta, Dapar, Kali in this rotation. 1000 Chaturjuga. Then in the end of Dapar Yug, Krishna he comes. Because that means that Krishna he does not come every Chaturjugas. By every Dapar Yuga he does not come. Every Teta Yuga, Dapar Yuga Krishna does not come. Or every Treta Yugas also Lord Ramchandra is not coming. Different incarnation come. But this is here, 24th of Chaturjuga, that Ramchandra, original Ramchandra, what is called Dashrath Nandan, the son of Dashrath Maharaj. The Ramchandra. So how far along is now? 24th to 28th. 4th Chaturjuga. So 4th Chaturjuga means is what? So long time. So for the Chaya Sita she told. So what will do now? And that time Ramchandra told, okay, sometimes you can stay in Sarga Lakshmi. What is called? Sarga Lakshmi, understand? And there is Lakshmi of heaven, Sarga Lakshmi. So then there. Yes?
Is there every time a new Svarga Lakshmi?
That is not necessary. Sarga Lakshmi is different kalpa. But this is called Ramchandra told to Chaya Sita. So you stay in there. Sarga Lakshmi. Then after Sarga Lakshmi, then she appeared in the form of Draupadi. This is coming this. This is Brahma Vivarta Puran. Here Srila Vasudev Goswami Pada written this. So actual, who is Draupadi? Draupadi also she is called Chaya Sita. And helping to Krishna this Leela also this. For this regard, Krishna, he always saying to Draupadi, you are my Sakhi. Understand this?
Why
you put that Sachi Yuga and then it becomes Chaita Yuga and then Dwarka Yuga? Because it used to be Dwarka Yuga and then Chaita.
Yeah, you are nice question. Very nice question. Perfect question. Actually, this katha is coming in different context. Satya, Dapar, Treta, Kali. This is the sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the. But here is given Satya Yug is 1, Treta Yug 3, and Dapar Yug 2, and Kali Yug 4. So the question is giving Satya Yug is 1. So how possible Treta Yug is coming in this? Then Dapar Yug. Actually, this katha is that once Rishi Munis, they perform bhajan and sadhan, and that time was a big, what is it called? No rain. Drought. क्या बोलते हैं? Drought. No rain, nothing. But that time that Rishis, with his own sadhan bhajan, in his ashram completely full of grains, Gautam Rishi. So others Rishi, they also staying with Gautam Rishi. But Gautam Rishi told, you can stay with her without my permission or without any my faults, you cannot go out. So all the Rishi Munis, they are staying with Gautam Rishi. But when the, what is called? Drought go out and rain coming there. And that time all Rishi Munis have to return back our own ashram. But Gautam Rishi did not give permission. You cannot go. You have to go. How long will you stay at this house? 1 day, 2 days. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to, what is his name? I don't know. What is it called? Ambika Kalna, who is going? Gauridas Pandit. Gauridas Pandit, no, Prabhu, stay 1 day. Staying another day, don't go. Another day. But Mahaprabhu told, no, you have to go back. Then Mahaprabhu gave him his own deities. Then deities start to move, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stand. Then there is no go stay. You know this Leela? Understand? Devadi Deva Gaura Chandra Gauri Dasa Mandiri. And this katha is. So in the same way, so now coming in this way, Gautam Rishi, he did not give permission to the sadhus. Our sadhu is saying, we have to return back our own ashram. Then thinking how to make one blame to Gautam Rishi. Then one day sadhu, they also made this plan. One day, early in the morning, Brahma Murta, and Gautam Rishi, he is going to take bath in the river. There are many steps in the river. And that time, Rishi Munis, they also made one, what is called, fake cow. Fake cow, understand? Just made with the straw or something, this grass or this, and put. When Gautam Rishi, he is going to take bath in the river, just touch the feet of Gautam Rishi, then the fake cow also rolling down and enter in the river and flow. Then all the Rishi told Gautam Rishi, he committed Gohatta. He committed and sin. And Gohatta. He killed the cow. And in this way, and they blame. And they all the Rishi said, oh, here is the cow killing, we have to not stay here. Then in this way, all Rishi Munis, they left the ashram. Then Gautam Rishi thinking, how possible I killed cow? Then Gautam Rishi, he meditated. He meditated and he realized, oh, that was not the real cow. That is what? A cow. Then Gautam Rishi, he gave cards to her. Okay, all you forget, eh? All your remembrance. And for this Kali Yugas, eh? we forget or not? Eh? Not remembrance coming. Then all Rishi Munis again return back to Gautam Rishi, then very humble, ask what to do now then. Eh? That is okay. Eh? Now Veda, you have to write. Eh? And remembrance. Eh? And how to purify this way? Then Gautam Rishi in his own, what is called? Sadhan Bhajan, he changed the order of the yugas. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. This katha of the Purana is saying this. Or another katha, you know, also Gautam Rishi's wife name, Ahila. And Indra, he disguised the form of Gautam Rishi and tried to associate with him. Then Gautam Rishi, when realized, Indra, he disguised my form. Then Gautam Rishi, he gave cards to Indra and also give cards to Ahila. And Ahila, you have to become stone. Then Ahila said, what is my fault? Gautam Rishi told, already I gave cards to you. So how will free from this stone body? That time, Gautam Rishi told in Treta Yuga, when Ramchandra will come and by the touch of the lotus feet of Ramchandra, then he will be delivered from this stone body. Ramchandra will come which year? Which yugas? Treta Yuga, Sattva, Dapar, Treta. So that is his katha is which yugas? Sattva Yuga. Ramchandra will come Treta Yuga. Treta Yuga will come. So this is so long time. That time Ahila, she was crying and crying. Then okay, don't worry. According my bhajan sadhana, I also change the order of the yugas. So Sattva yugas, then after Sattva yugas, which yugas is coming? Treta yuga is coming. This look this. And Treta yuga Ramchandra is coming. Then Dapar yuga Krishna is coming. This order. So for this regard, is this order is coming in this. Sattva, Treta, Dapar and Kali. This is the order. Other is in the beginning of the same order. Sattva, then Dapar, then Treta, then Kali. But Gautam Rishi, he changed this order. This katha is there also.
Normally, like Arjun is always with Krishna. Arjun is normally shown with Krishna as Sakhya Bhav, but Yudhishthir is Haridas, so one of the three Haridas. So is he higher than Arjun?
Who?
Yudhishthir.
Yudhishthir Maharaj. No, Yudhishthir Maharaj is not higher than
Also, Arjun is higher.
Arjun higher. Because he is Sakha Bhav, but this Sakha Bhav mixed with opulence, not pure Sakha. Understand? And another Yudhishthir Maharaj, he is the original. He is a family के प्रधान है, क्या बोलते हैं? Head of the family. For this regard, taking his name. Understand? Who is the head of the family? People are taking his name. This also. And for this regard, saying this. Yudhishthir name was Nakul Sadev. Yudhishthir name is coming. Yudhishthir, he is original. Mixed, what is called? Dasya Bhav is there also. And also Sakha Bhav and others more is there. And so far this regard saying this.
Maharaj, I'm wondering about the shloka Chaitanya Darshana Marjanam Bhav, Mahabharati, the Bhav in that line means material existence, but then in the next line, but then Bhav is usually not meaning material existence. So I'm wondering how does the same word used to mean the samsara of material existence at the same time it also means to be free at the stage of Bhav.
You're saying that there are two different meanings of Bhav in the same verse.
In the same, yeah.
How can
ये
you
दूसरा
are saying verse
पहला भाव दूसरा भाव
It's Bhav. I don't know. Okay, but it's got the same line.
Oh, you are saying that the sequence is there. Adu Shraddha, Tatu Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthamriti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav.
Different. Okay.
Yeah, that Bhav, or this is the Sneho, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav. That is another thing also.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is our sadhana, you know. Shraddha to Asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti. Then Bhava bhakti. Then Prema bhakti. And when prem more and more mature and content, that is called different things. Sneho coming, Sneho, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag. Then Bhav, Mahabhav. That another mode is this. That is not in the event, that is transcendental, Golok Vrindavan. That is it. Yeah. And here the Bhav is saying this is after Asakti Bhav, there are 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms. Tantra Avartakavartang, Bhakti, Mana, Sunnata, Asabandhu, Samutkanta, Namagani, Sadaruchi, Asakti Tad Gunanu Kane, Pradita Vasati Stali, Itturjo Surajata, Bhavankure Jane. There are 9 external symptoms of mood bhav. Are 3 internal symptoms. What are the 3 internal symptoms? You forgot. Are Abhilasa. 3 types of Abhilasa. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa. Sauhridya Abhilasa. Or Anukul Abhilasa. These are 3 Abhilasa is there. That is it. Our how Bhav manifests in our heart. Suddha Satta Visheshatma Prema Sujang Samabhaka Ruchi Vichitra Smarchana Kedoso Bhava Uchyate. When sadhaka's heart will be neat and clean, no any kinds of material desires. Heart is neat and clean. Understand? As like what is called? Crystal. So on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini will manifest. This is the process. And Sandhini means Ishwar. What is it called?
platform existence?
Existence. Sandhini. Then platform coming. And this existence coming from where? Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu, he is also making this existence. And without Baladev Prabhu, your heart will not neat and clean. For this Leela also going this way. Then Rohini's, Rohini, what is it called? Devaki's 6 sons died. Mane Kamsa killed. Who are they? That is called Sadagarbha. Understand? Kaham, they are the significance of lust, anger, enviousness. That is called Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moth and Master. Understand this? That is called Sadagarbha. Sad means 6. The Anarthaji, that was. Lust, anger. And when there were 6 sons, meant the Sadagarbha, killed. Everything was there. Then, who is coming? 7th, and Baladev Prabhu is coming. And Baladev Prabhu is coming, means Baladev Prabhu, he makes the platform. This is the reason. Isn't it? Because Baladev Prabhu is thinking Krishna will appear. And Krishna will appear in the womb of Devaki. And so for this Nigari is the platform. The Suddha Satta will come. And Satta, Suddha Satta, Mishra Satta, many things also there. So Baladev Prabhu creates this way. Because Baladev Prabhu another tattva is called Dhama tattva also. Dham, understand? And Dham, that is called Asra. Where we sit. Asanam. And without asan you cannot sit. Need asana or no? Asanam. Understand or no? So Baladev Prabhu is making this because Krishna is coming. Then Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna how many ways? 10 ways. This way. Then 10 asan, basan, bhusan, padasevan, orjab, paduka, understand? Shoes. And chatra means umbrella. This way, Baladev Prabhu, he serves. Main thing you need was asana. And when do archan, first what are you doing? And asanam. Idang, asanam, and Radha Krishna Bam no. Engurave no. Asanam. First need is what? Asanam. And Guru is coming or asana is where? Somewhere. So where will sit? Need asana. This is the thing. So here is saying in this way, what is it called? Sandhini. This is the Baladev Prabhu makes this. Then Sambit and Radhunikala. Sambit means transcendental knowledge. Bhagavad Tattva Gyan. What is saying? 3 types of knowledge. Yesterday I told not. What the knowledge you need? First Tatpadartha Gyan, knowledge about Lord. That is called Tatpadartha Gyan. Or then Sampadartha Gyan, knowledge about soul. Who is our worshipful deities? What should they? Tatpadartha Gyan, knowledge about Lord. Who is our Ishtadeva? Tatpadartha Gyan, knowledge about Lord. Then Tampadartha Gyan, knowledge about soul. According our ras Lord will manifest his form. And if you have Santaras, then Lord will manifest in the form of Narayan. In Vaikuntha Dham, Lord Narayan as Santa Pradhan Dasa. And that devotee is serving. What do you call? What do you mean? Santa, that is Santaras, that is called prominent. And Dasa, that is called secondary. Understand? Santaras, actually there is no servitual mood, only Nishtha. Try to understand this. What are the qualifications of different rasas? Gunas. Santa, Nishtha. Dasa, servitual mood. So, in Vaikuntha Dham, Lord manifests in the form of Lord Narayan. Understand? And that types of devotees also there. Gaur, Bisaksen, their mood is also there. Bhav is there. What they are thinking? No need to serve to Lord. He is called Atmaram and Aptakam. And self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. No need to serve. And when any devotee offer, then he accepts. And Patra Puspam Phalam Toyam Jome Bhakta Pajachat. If you give, he will eat. If you not give, no problem.
What is the mood for someone to offer something to the Lord, like in Shantarasa? why someone would serve the Lord in this way? Someone in Shankara.
Are you eating or not?
Yes.
So when I am eating, I have to offer.
Okay. Just
Others-
follow the rules.
They follow the rules. And I am not eating, so no need to offer.
Okay.
When you are so these types of mood is there. Because they are thinking he is Bhagavan. Or who is Bhagavan means he resides everywhere. That is called Lord resides
Omnipresent.
omnipresent. And another good is omnipresent and
Omniscient.
omniscient, almighty,
Omnipotent.
omnipotent. Look at this. This is the mood there.
Omnibenevolent.
Huh?
Omnibenevolent. He is well-wisher of all the living entities.
So this is the. So no need to serve. But it's another clause is here. When devotee is thinking, no, I have to offer to something. Then Lord accept, okay. Lord is saying, okay, Lord is saying. So for the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, and say, what will eat, what will do, just offer to me. And then I will eat all. Jat Kurushi, Jat Joshi, Jadasi, Jat Tapasi Kuntyo Tat Kurusa Mat Arpanam. The Santaras devotee, they have no spontaneous love and affection with me. Only one qualification. What is that? Nishtha. He is Parabrahma, he is Bhagavan. This mood is there. Understand this? Golur, Visaksen. Golura, where he is sitting? Far from 5 meters from Lord. Not coming very close. And also fold his hands this way. If Lord has need, then he call to me. Understand? Mother Jasoda, he calls to Krishna. Hey Krishna, come and take prasad. But Golur is not saying to Narayan. He come and take prasad. Look at this. This is the difference. So Santas Rasas one qualification that is called Nishtha, steadiness. This. And Dasaras, two qualifications. Santas Nishtha and Seva Vritti. And servitual mode. Seva Vritti. But this servitual mode depends on the another the knowledge of relationship and mamata. Servitual mode need is there, mamata. Mamata is possessiveness. He belongs to me. So I have to serve. This is. But here is so Suddha Dasa in here is called Ramalok. That is called Ayodhya. Hanuman is servicing. But that mixed with opulence. Hanuman is the Gaura Buddhi there. Gaura Buddhi what is it? He is Bhagavan. Look at this. Bhagavad Buddhi is there also, but servitual mode. And see how to serve to Lord Ramachandra. Ramchandra Seva. So for this regard, Shuddha Dasa in Ayodhya. There are two qualifications there. Nishtha with his Ishtadev. Hanumanji is Nishtha with his Ishtadev Ramachandra. Srinathe Janaki Nathe Aveda Paramatmani Tathapi Rama Kamalachana Mama Sarvasya Jivanam. Hanumanji is saying, I know the Tattva Siddhanta. Lord is called Paramatma Tattva. He is Bhagavan. And he manifests many forms in different planets. It is true. And there are no different Krishna and Ramachandra. But my Nishtha with my Ishtadev, Lord Ram. So saying, Sinate Janaki Nate Aveda Paramatmani Tathapi Rama Kamalochana Mama Sarvasya Jivan. Nishtha. Hanuman is teaching to us how to Nishtha with our Ishtadev. And simultaneously also, servitual mood, seva bhakti, mamatta buddhi. So servitual mood coming two things. What did I say? Our first samandha gyan, knowledge of relationship, or another mamata. This is coming. What is it? This. And Ram Hanuman this qualification. But one thing is yours. He has mood. Ramchandra is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. And but in Braj also Dasa Bhakti, Rakta Patrak. And but their Dasa is not the Dasa of Hanuman. And why? Because Rakta Patrak, they are not thinking we are the servant of Krishna. We are the servant of Nanda Maharaj. But I have to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. And so always remember this. Servitual mode depends on two things. One is called Samandagyan and another is called Mamata. Service, which mode you will serve? Either. So depend on two things. Mamata is Samandagyan. According to the Samandha, they are servicing. Or if you have no Mamata servicing, there is a duty and responsibilities. Understand? You are going to your office job or any company job. How many hours you are servicing? 8 hours. And over duty, then you get the money. But company will getting profit or not, this is not your concern. This is why if company will get lot of profit, maybe little bit what is called bonus will give. No bonus. 1%, 2%, 5% will give. Only once a year. Christmas bonus come. This is okay. Actually, they are not giving bonus. Your salary, they also took. And that time they are giving bonus. Businessmen,
Marketing.
they are doing buy one, get one, free one. And free one, how possible they give free one?
Prices in the
Get, what is saying? Get one, buy one, get one, free one. That means you buy this or the other, okay. 2 bananas at this price. Another is also free. Take this. If you also free is good. Actually, they also included the price is there. This is a business. I mean, how to think it. So far they are written, buy one, get one, free. But which one free? Well, you give to me free first one.
Without buying it.
Without buying. No, you have to buy. Just business words. I am saying these things also. Service, to serve, this is not important. Important is what? Knowledge of relationship and mamata. This is the main thing. Mamata is very important. And according your knowledge of relation, samandagyan, then that type of mamata coming also. This is the process also. Mother, she serves her baby. Mamata or not? This is called my son. Understand? This is the thing. So much love and affection. Samandagyan is coming there. Then mamata. And you can to serve the others baby, okay. But your son, this is called my son. This is too wrong. Other son, okay, you can service him, okay, give some food, this. But mamata with whom? Own son. Because this is mine, belongs to me.
The Mamata will come to do when Sambandha Gyan comes out in Bhav.
Are bhav dosa nahi, it's shraddha dosa. Everything is increasing, step by step.
But slowly.
Slowly. all the lines going step by step. All going. You can say this is coming, no? Huh? This is the process also.
Is momentary symptom like a secondary symptom of Sambandha? Once you have Sambandha, then momentary comes, or
First Sambandha Gyan. Without Sambandha Gyan, how possible perfect mamata will come? So saying, Sambandha loiya bhaje tare Krishna nahi taje aar sab mare akaran. Sambandha, knowledge of relationship. Sambandha Gyan is very important. You have no baby. So how to serve to whom? Who has baby? Sambandha Gyan coming. This is my son, my daughter. He's saying, I-ness and my-ness automatically coming. Nanda Maharaj is saying, my son. Ma Jasodhar is saying, my son. I-ness and my-ness automatically. That's Sanskrit word. This is Ahangata and Mamata. Ahangata is, I am the father of my son Krishna. Nanda Maharaj is saying or not? I am the father of my son Krishna. Ahangata coming. Or Mamata, my son. Not your son. So Sambandha Gyan is very important. You understand this? For this regard, Sambandha loiya bhai. For this regard, in sequence, our three deities: Madan Mohan, Govinda Dev, and Gopinath. Madan Mohan, that is called Sambandha, this Chatri Devata. They are presiding deities of knowledge of relationship. That is called Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan, that is called Sambandha, this Chatri Devata. Then Ovidya Tattva. Ovidya means bhakti, servicial mood come. Bhakti means servicial mood, seva. So according to the Sambandha, then servicial mood will come. Seva will come. Bhakti. Then that is called Govinda Dev. Then when you serve to Lord, what do you want? Prem. Prem coming. That is called what is it called? Prayojan Tattva is coming. And that is called Gopinath. This is the process of Sambandha, Ovidya, and Prayojan. So three deities of Gaudiya Vaishnava. And Govinda, what is it called? Madan Mohan, Govinda Dev, and Gopinath. Sambandha, Ovidya, and Prayojan. And Prayojan means our ultimate goal, love. There is a Prem Prayojan. Love is very important. And Love. What is here? Lake of tears. If you love, you have to cry. This is the prayer. Even material world, if you love someone, crying or not. Mother, she is crying for her daughter, children, crying or not. This is the nature. A transcendental also crying. This is Srimati Radhika, she cries or not? Cries for whom? Krishna. Understand? Everybody wants what things? Happiness. But who will take the unhappiness? And Srimati Radhika saying, everybody want happiness. So who will take the unhappiness? So Srimati Radhika in her separation mode and lamentation mode, she is saying, understand? Oh Vidhata, you will give me all the dukkha, money?
Pain and suffering.
Give me pain to me. This look this, very nice, beautiful Bengali song is there also. सुख यदि सब चाहे दुख दुख लेबे के ओ विधाता यू गिव मी ऑल द पेन टू मी And I can tolerate. Srimati Radha is tolerating or not? She is tolerating all. Eh? Krishna cannot tolerate the pain. Eh? This is the thing. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Krishna, next birth, I will become Krishna and you will become Radha. Mariya hoiba ami nandera nandan, tomare koriba Radha. আর প্রীতি করিয়া ছাড়িয়া যাইব তখন জানিবে প্রীতি কেমন জ্বালা what is the meaning of love, then you understand. Next birth I will become Krishna or I will make you Radha. You will make Radha, then you understand. What kinds of pain? Actually externally feeling pain but internally so much happiness. You understand? Because in transcendental world, actually there is no any pain. And Srimati Radhika is crying for Krishna. But why? This is one kind of happiness also. Just give an example. One sadhu is giving Ram Lila Katha. Understand? Especially Ram Lila Katha is very pathetic. Crying and crying and crying. Ram Lila crying. So many people also, or many audience they came. They also listen Ram Lila Katha. When Sadhu spoke Ram Katha, everybody also are crying and shedding tears. When Katha finished, then next day Sadhu also told, again this Katha I will speak tomorrow. Everybody was again coming. Why? If the, what is called, cry is unhappiness or painful, so why they are coming? Actually, external they are crying, internal, so much happiness crying. So saying, Jato dekho Vaishnavir vyavahar dukkha, ahate janiyo tumi paramo ananda. And external is crying, but internal so much happiness coming, ananda. Understand? So love, this word is. Love means lake of tears. Lake, big lake. Understand? Tears coming, crying.
Ocean of suffering.
Ocean?
Ocean of suffering.
Ocean of sorrow. Dukkha sagar. Love this. Or third, valley of death. Valley, understand? One side big mountain, or another very small path. If you little bit your feet slip, then going down. 500 meters you going down, not coming back. Valley of death. Or
End of life.
E is the significance of end of life, finished. Understand this way. But transcendental what? There is no death, no end, anything. There is happiness comes so much. We are afraid of this material world. Because if you love someone, always you are cheating, propensity will come. You are cheat or you are cheated. This is the nature. This is true or wrong? You are thinking very nice boy, girlfriend, very nice boyfriend. Actually, this is not true. Try to understand. You are thinking, oh, very happy. Little bit happiness coming. Actually, you cheat or cheated. Follow in the But transcendental world, this word is not in there. You understand? Transcendental world, this is neat and clean. This is the process of step by step. Do bhajan and sadhana in real life. So Santo, Dasa, Sakka, Vatsalya and Madhurya Bhav. Topmost. But Madhurya Katha, sweetness mode, everybody cannot understand. When we can understand simple way, and Vatsalya Rash. And because Madhurya Ras not everybody can understand. Eh? And especially where is the Parakya Bhav, Paramur mode. Because in this material world not Paramur mode manifests. Not exist. And Paramur mode only exists in it. Transcendental world only go Vrindavan. Braj bina nahi annatra prachar. Understand? Huh? Read that. Braj bina nahi annatra prachar. Only Braj, Golok, Vrindavan. Only or another only in the heart of Braj Gopis. Huh? This is the process. So people can understand. Eh? But you can understand this material Santo, Dasya, Sakho, Vatsala can understand. Understand how mother she loves her baby. This is the practical you can learn. Eh? But lover and beloved, not understand. Because here the cheating propensity automatically comes. Cheating propensity coming or not?